The National BJP Morcha President Vijaya Rahatkar and BJP National Secretary was warmly welcomed by the Meghalaya Mahila Morcha cells. Vijaya Rahatkar, while addressing their gathering, said that the state BJP Women Wing will play a big role in the upcoming assembly elections. She said that Women Wing will also launch a door-to-door campaign to enlighten the women folk and various scheme launched by the benefit of fair sex. In many states including Maharashtra, Haryana, women has also been playing a crucial role in the party's victory in poll. Meghalaya is a maternal state and efforts will be made to bring women in politics, she said, adding that this campaign will continue till the month of September.
अब ये काम करने के लिए उनको प्रशिक्षित भी हमें करना होगा। सिर्फ काम करो ये बोलने से नहीं चलेगा, हमें उनको प्रशिक्षित करना पड़ेगा। वो सब चीज़ों की चिंता हम हमारे कैंडिडेट्स के लिए हम करेंगे। जो सरकार यहाँ पे काम कर रही है, उनके लिए सबसे बड़ी बात महिलाओं की सुरक्षा ही होनी चाहिए। और यहाँ पर महिलाओं की सुरक्षा नहीं हो रही है। रोज विमेन असॉल्ट के अनेक केसेस दर्ज हो रहे हैं। और अगर कानून आप ठीक से नहीं संभालते हैं, सुव्यवस्था नहीं होती है, तो लोगों को कानून का डर ही खत्म हो जाता है। और वैसे कानून का डर यहाँ पे खत्म हो गया है। ये सबसे बुरी बात है।
On the rising graph of crime against women and minor girls in Meghalaya, she said that Mukul Sangma-led government has failed to bring the deteriorating law and order situation under control. The ruling Congress government has not only been serious about the issues pertaining to women, she added. She also informed that reporters that BJP Women Front will be set up at booth level in Meghalaya, which will emphasize on expanding their organization. She also referred to some of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi's dream schemes including Ujjwala. Speaking on the occasion, the National General Secretary of BJP Morcha, Pooja Kapil Mishra, said that the strength of the social media must be understood by each of its members so as to bring the message to the people in a big way. Earlier, BJP Mahila Morcha Chief Vijaya Rahatkar and the National Secretary of BJP Mahila Morcha, Pooja Kapil Mishra, met local leaders and booth-level party workers to motivate and strengthen the Meghalaya unit for 2018 election. With Wopangla Pongunar, APN Shillong.